What you're about to see is honest and true, and if you can't let your children see it, then you're pretty screwed. Yeah, that's what she said, sneak attack. And while you're up there, Jack, you're going to hijack it. See, we're doing Operation Greenlight, saving falling angels one soul at a time, and we're also doing jacking the jackasses off this motherfucking planet because I'm done with your bullshit. Don't let your son go down on me or I'll bitch slap him into kingdom come. And then as he's choking with his last breath as we kick him in the larynx, he's going to swallow his shit straight to hell. Don't leave your shit on my beach, and if you shit next to my tent, fucker, I'm going to find you. I'm going to get your DNA, your RNA, and I'm going to coil up your ass with pink dust, and you'll be dust in the wind. All you are is poof, dust in the wind, bitch. I feel better already. I'm starting to exercise demons in the Akashic Records from infinity to infinity. These words have been spoken. They will be done. The Master's will be done. What are you going to shoot the messenger of God? Fuck you, bitch. He doesn't even like the title God. Try creator or architect or master or something else. Get your head out of your ass. If you want to argue who's God's got a bigger dick, you're talking about the wrong guy. Goodbye, Great Lebowski. Eli's coming. He's going to find the black lady and get the sign. Yeah, sign. Wipe your ass with it when you're done.